On the Explore page, you can search and browse through all the categories of pre-mixed albums that are available for download. At the top of the Explore page, you'll find all of the latest albums, videos, and ClickMix custom mix tracks available. Tapping on a banner takes you directly to that release or section of the app. Next, you'll find our new releases. This is where you find some of the most popular mixes such as Top 40, Total Hits, and Hands Up. Below that are quick links to all the main group fitness activities. Tap on any icon to see all of the releases under that category. Our next category is the Now Mixes. Every month you can count on 10 new playlists covering the top group formats. If you're ever curious about how the releases are formatted, simply tap the cover of any Now Mix or any album in the app, and then tap Album Info to see a brief description. Our pre-formatted cardio, Tabata, hit, strength, and cycle mixes include sound effects, cues, and choreography templates. You can tap choreography templates to open it instantly in the app. From there, you can email it to yourself, save it to your device, add it to Dropbox, and more. Our seniors, step, kickbox, Pilates, and yoga are 32 count squared and class-ready mixes. These mixes are interchangeable, so use what you want when you want. Another exciting feature in the app, videos. In this section, you'll find choreography videos, music, and downloadable choreography PDFs of all our programs. All Power Music video programs are free of licensing fees. You're welcome to take this choreography and use it in your classes or use the videos whenever you need a good workout. Simply choose the program, the release, and from here you can watch a trailer, watch the video, download the corresponding music, or access the choreography PDF. Choose from any of the genres listed to see all of the pre-mixed albums we've created that contain music from that specific genre. Our royalty-free fitness music category lists our royalty-free pre-mixed albums that you can use for your online live stream classes on social media and Zoom. Our Power Music Now exclusives are special mixes, only available on our app for our subscribers and not found anywhere else. These consist of our fresh hits and Mix and Match Now monthly albums. Our final category is purchased products. This is where you can access the music you've purchased through the website. You can also quickly get to this category by tapping the shopping bag in the top right corner of the app.